Hello student, this is Surbhi here from Krishna classes, and today I am going to take the topic of acid bases reactions. This topic has been taken from the chapter 2 of the class 10th. The name of the chapter is acids, bases and salts. What is acids, what is bases and what is salt? We discussed it in my previous video. So knowing about acids, bases and salts, you can watch my previous video. There is playlist of class 10th also available in my channel, so you can watch. Now come on the topic reactions. Reactions of acids and bases with metals. Reactions of acids and bases with metals. Now acid react with metal and form salt plus hydrogen gas. Acid react with metal, form salt and hydrogen gas. Now write the equation of this reaction. So let's start to writing acid. We take the example of acid is H2SO4. You know this is called the sulfuric acid. And we take the example of metal is zinc. Now what form? Here Zn displace H2 and form ZnSO4 zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas is liberated. So this is the equation of this reaction where acid is react with metal and form salt plus hydrogen gas. This is the zinc sulfate is the salt plus hydrogen gas. Now come on the next point. When base react with metal, here metal is zinc, zinc is what? Zinc is metal. When base react with zinc, then form sodium zincate. This is also the salt. And form the hydrogen gas. Now write the equation of this reaction. Here base, we take about the base NaOH we take here, and zinc is the metal, you know about zinc. Then form sodium zincate. The formula of sodium zincate is Na2ZnO2. This is the sodium zincate plus hydrogen gas is eliminated. So this is the formula of sodium zincate. Now balance your reaction. Here sodium is 2 and oxygen is 2. Then you write here 2NaOH. Okay. So here Na2ZnO2 and here 2Zn also. Then this reaction is balanced now. H2 is 2, 2Na, 1Zn, O2. No need to twice the Zn is in one quantity. So this is the formula of sodium zincate. Na2ZnO2 is the formula of sodium zincate. This is also a salt. So when base react with metal, then form salt plus hydrogen gas also. So these are the two types of reaction where acids and bases react with metals. Now come on the next point. Acids react with metals carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate. When acid react with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate, then what happen? Here when acid Na2CO3, what is this? This is the metal carbonate. Name is the sodium carbonate. Its name is the sodium carbonate. When react with, this is HCl is the acid, then form NaCl. You know about the NaCl. This is the common salt or table salt, and plus carbon dioxide gas is eliminated. So here is the reaction of acid with sodium carbonate, means metal carbonate. Now come on the next reaction where HCl, this is also a acid when acid again react with NaSCO3. NaSCO3 is what? This is the metal hydrogen carbonate. This is the sodium hydrogen. This is the sodium hydrogen carbonate. This is the carbonate. So when sodium hydrogen carbonate react with acid, then again form the salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. So these are two types of reaction where acids react with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate. Now come on, here when here this CO2 evolved when on passing this CO2 through lime water. When this CO2 passing through the lime water, then what happened? Here CaOH का whole twice aqueous. This is the what? This is the lime water. Then CO2 gas passed. Find what we found? CaCO3. This is the calcium carbonate. This is the calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. This is the white precipitate and water. We found calcium carbonate or H2O, water. So CaCO3 is the white precipitate. Now again CaCO3 react with H2O and form with CO2 and form CaSCO3 soluble in water. Calcium hydrogen carbonate again we found. Okay, so these are the reaction when CO2 involved is passing on the lime water. Then what found? Calcium carbonate first, which are white in PPT. Again CaCO3 react with water and carbon dioxide and form sodium hydrogen carbonate, which are soluble in water. So these are the reaction of acids and bases with metals and metal carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. Now I repeat my class again. What we discussed here, reaction of acids and bases with metal. When acid react with metal, then form salt plus hydrogen gas. Here H2SO4 is the acid plus zinc is the metal, then form ZnSO4. This is the salt and hydrogen gas. Now come on the base. Base react with zinc. Zinc is also metal, and again what form? Salt, sodium zincate plus hydrogen gas. Here is the equation of this reaction, 2NaOH plus Zn, then form Na2ZnO2 sodium zincate plus hydrogen gas. Now acids react with metals carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate, then what happened? Sodium carbonate react with HCl, form salt plus carbon dioxide. Sodium hydrogen carbonate react with acid again, then form NaCl. Again salt formation is occurred and water and CO2 gas evolved. Now this CO2 evolved gas on passing through lime water. Here CaOH का whole twice in aqueous. This is the lime water. When CO2 gas passed, then white color CaCO3 PPT is found and water also. Again CaCO3 is react with water plus CO2 and forms calcium hydrogen carbonate, which are soluble in water. So this is my class. Hope you understand it very well. Thank you so much for the watching. This is Surbhi here. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.